Narrator. Welcome to our tutorial on using Nmap with Kali Linux for scanning networks. Today, we'll guide you through the process of conducting a network scan step by step. Narrator. Kali Linux is a powerful system for penetration testing and security auditing. One of its most important tools is Nmap, a versatile network scanning tool. In this video, we'll cover how to perform different types of scans and analyze the results. Narrator. Before starting Nmap, ensure that your Kali Linux is up to date. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to keep your system current. Open a terminal by clicking on the terminal icon or using the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+T. Narrator. Let's begin with a basic scan. In the terminal, type map target IP to initiate a scan on the target IP address. This command provides information about open ports and services running online. Narrator. Nmap has various options for different scanning approaches. For a more extensive scan, use map ss target IP for a stealth scan. Another useful command is map a target IP, which combines OS detection and version detection of applications. Narrator. Let's perform a practical example. Suppose we're scanning an internal network with the target IP 192.168.1.1. We enter map a 192.168.1.1 and observe the detailed information provided, including host names, operating systems, and detected services. Narrator. The Nmap results will appear in the terminal with a variety of data. Look for open ports, services, and host information crucial for security assessments. It's important to interpret these findings properly to ensure strong network defenses. Narrator. We've explored the basics of Nmap scanning with Kali Linux. Remember, ethical usage is key while using these tools. Always have permission from network owners and be aware of legal regulations. Outro. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates. Happy scanning and stay secure!